Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into your Google account and opening Google Calendar. Once done, show the Tasks panel by clicking the Tasks icon in the left sidebar. Make sure you've chosen or created the right task list so items go where you want them. This avoids later reorganization. Next, click the blue Add a Task button and type a clear title. You're now ready to add details. Short titles help scanning and syncing across devices. You'll now flesh out the task. Click Edit to add a description, subtasks, and attachments. Once done, set a specific date and time, or leave it undated for flexibility. Recurring rules are useful for repeating work. Make sure to add a reminder so Calendar notifies you at the right moment. You can also use color or labels to indicate priority and group-related tasks, which makes scanning your schedule much faster and clearer. Finish by reviewing that the task shows on your calendar and in the mobile Tasks app. This confirms sync worked. You can mark tasks complete to archive them or edit and move them when plans change. If a task doesn't appear, make sure you selected the right task list, verify sync is enabled on your device, and check your internet connection. Often a quick refresh or relogin fixes it. If problems persist, toggle tasks off and on in the sidebar.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.